Hi everyone, and welcome back to The Big Mess, the side yard project. Kim and I got started here and we're taking things away.
Still a big mess, but it's starting to look better.
Now I wanted to share with you something that was really kind of interesting about all of this as Kim keeps going here. So many of you could relate to the...
Whoa! That's why we need to get rid of things.
As we were saying, today we're going to clear out this area. We're going to just get rid of things, and just some things are going to come back. We're going to remove all of the bark, and then we're going to decide what we're going to put in here. Really surprised by how many people said, yeah, we are in the same boat. We've got a lot of mess as well.
I was so happy because it means we're not alone in our messy space problem.
Yep.
So thanks you guys for understanding and not laughing at us for all this stuff.
So we got some great feedback that I want to share with you. I printed a couple of them. Marie said, oh my gosh, this video was great. My husband asked, so who's filming? I'm in the middle of installing a shed and my husband was just laughing the whole time as he was overhearing this video. Ekta suggested, as a lot of you did, make a walkway with stones, interlocking stones. It will look good, plus the weeds won't grow. Alex said, pea gravel. I love Nana's Happy Garden comment. She said, I'm in the same mess, camera guy. Valerie says, oh boy, my yard is the same. I just don't feel motivated this year.
Whoa.
And I wanted to respond to that because I understand the motivation bit. I think a lot of us are struggling right now with motivation. I want to encourage you though to get up, start in little bites. I think you'll feel better once you start and as you go along. Piano Master also said that he had a friend that used the rustic wood planks to make a path. And Ellen responded to that and said, yeah, that's a great idea. They can repurpose some of the lumber planks. We've got great ideas from all of you. For today's show, we're going to clear this out and get back to work.
Whoa, that's totally good. Wow.
We're making good ground. We've cleared a lot of this. This looks great.
Yeah, it does.
We decided we're going to keep this here so we can just store things on it. I'll move this lumber down so it's out of the sight line.
For all this junk to be gone.
Yeah.
It looks so much better, and most of the stuff has been sitting around, so we're recycling it.
And we also found some flagstone down there.
Yeah.
Might be able to use that. We're not sure yet.
Hey, a little pathway here,
But
huh?
we still got this corner to clear.
Yeah, that's a mess
So,
too.
lots of junk.
Lots of big messes.
Go ahead.
A PVC pipe that I drilled holes in and used to water my very first strawberry crate tower. Now I have drip irrigation, so I don't need it. But yeah, it's pretty cool.
Excellent progress made here. Looking a lot better. And we come down here. And now we have our corner back again, which is nice. We can still use it. We'll just have to keep it neater and stay on top of it. Oh, this is exciting. The last 3 pieces, and at least we hit our goal of getting things out of the sight line for the people on the sidewalk who walk
Yeah,
by.
I'm excited about that. When we drive up to the house too, we won't see all of our junk.
There it is. That's nice.
Looks good.
And the spot for the rope.
Our special spot in our hearts. For
All right, good work.
Way to go.
Well, we hit our goal for today, and that is just scraping this all out. We're gonna sit and think about it now as to what we do with this, how much do we want to put into it, that type of thing.
Yeah.
But this is 100% better. So thank you all for your support and your comments in the last video. Look forward to reading yours again on this one.
And I'm going to be checking out Pinterest for some new ideas too. Thanks for your suggestion on that.
Yep, you guys are the best. Thanks for watching. See you on
See you
the
in the next video.
Bye.